Here the question is, a train 200 meters long is running with a speed of 72 kilometers per hour. In what time will it pass a platform 160 meters long? To cross a platform, train has to cover train length and platform length. Here the speed is 72 kilometers per hour. If we know the speed of a vehicle, we can tell the distance travelled in 36 seconds easily. Here the speed of the train is 72 kilometers per hour. So the train can cover 720 meters in 36 seconds. In 36 seconds, it can cover 720 meters, or for 720 meters, to cover 720 meters it takes 36 seconds. Here the train length is 200 meters and platform length is 160 meters. To pass platform, it has to cover train length and platform length. So to cross 200 plus 160, to cross 360 meters. To cross platform, it has to cover train length and platform length. For 720 meters, 36 seconds. For 360 meters, how much? 360 is half of 720. 720 by 2, 360, 36 by 2, our answer.